video, I will be demonstrating my Java GUI program titled Login Ordering System. So this system includes the following features: a login form with a username and a password, a security mechanism that allows only 3 login attempts, automatic program termination after 3 failed attempts, a second form also called Form 3, which contains the food ordering interface, and a clean interaction flow for selecting food and additional options. I will now begin the demonstration. Okay, as you can see, the program opens with a login form. It contains 2 input fields such as the username and the password, along with a login button. Okay. For this system, the correct credentials are user and the password is 123, or whatever credentials will be coded. So let me first demonstrate an incorrect login attempt. For example, I choose user with a all caps lock, and the password would be 123, and then login. The system responds with a login field attempts left 2. This shows that the system is tracking the login attempts using a counter. So if I enter the wrong login again, it now shows user 123 and the password of now shows incorrect login attempts left 1. On the third failed attempt, the program displays. So let's try the third one with a wrong one. On the third failed attempt, the program displays maximum attempts reached. Program will close and then the program automatically terminates. The feature satisfies the requirement. Only up to the 3 attempts are allowed, otherwise terminate the program. Now I will demonstrate a successful login. So I will enter the correct one, which is user, and the password is 123. Then I put login, and it says here that login successful. Once the credentials are correct, the login window closes and the program proceeds to Form 3, which is the ordering interface. This confirms that the login validation works properly. This is Form 3, where the user places an order at the top. The user chooses one main food option from drop-down menu, JComboBox. The available foods are pizza, hot dog, hamburger. Next to the food drop-down, another drop-down menu for foods show specific options. For pizza, we have the cheese, pepperoni, Hawaiian. And for the hot dog, we have the regular, jumbo, and cheesy. And the hamburger, we have classic, double patty, and bacon burger. The user can select one option per food item at a time. Let's say we have a pizza, Hawaiian. Had to order hot dog, cheesy, hamburger. For example, select pizza and Hawaiian, and then hot dog and cheesy, hamburger, and bacon burger. So, finish order, and it will says order completed. This confirms the program correctly captures all selected food items and their specific options. Once all desired food and options are added to the receipt, I can click Finish Order. The program shows a confirmation message, Order completed. This demonstrates that the system can handle multiple food items in one order, keeping track of both food and option selections. To briefly explain how the program works, the GUI is implemented using the Java Swing components, using JFrame, JLabel, JTextField, JComboBox, and then JTextArea. The login forms uses a counter track to track attempts using a 3 failed attempt. The program terminates using system exit 0. Unsuccessful login, the login window is closed. This posts the ordering form opens. The food selection is implemented using a JComboBox for main foods and another JComboBox updates dynamically for food-specific options. And JComboBox. And when clicking Add to Order, the program appends the selected food and option to a JTextArea which serves as the order receipt. Clicking Finish Order shows a message confirming. And that concludes my demonstration of login ordering system.java. I have shown the login form with a 3-attempt security limit, the Form 3 ordering interface with the dynamic food specific options, the ability to add multiple items to the receipt, a brief explanation of the code's functionality. Thank you for watching!